We're going to do a brief video on ISEE Stock Review, Iveric Bio News, ISEE Ticker. And we've got a daily chart up here for Iveric Bio, and this is a daily chart with 3 moving averages. We've got a green 5-day, a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day moving average. Let's go back here real quick to about November 2021 and see the stock put in a high there of about $19, came down, bounced off the 200-day moving average as the 200 was still rising up in January of 2022, and came in and put in another high of around $19.35. So we put in two highs. The second high was a little bit higher by 3 cents, and then we came crashing down to the 200-day moving average, and this stock went into a bear market right around May of this year, May 2022. We were in kind of a modified little bear market here. We went down, we made one plunge down into bear market territory from about the May 9th or so all the way through to, let's call it the end of July. We went kind of sideways, back and forth. It's not really anything that I would consider to be a serious bear market. And then we had a stab up at the 200-day moving average, which culminated in August 11th. Bounced right off the 200-day and plunged again. Now what we see in this last week is a tremendous rally in this stock. We had a low of $9.39, and it looks like today, the 9th of September, right as we speak, we have a high of $20.99 for the day. The session's early. It's not even 10:30 yet, and this stock's traded average volume is almost 5 million a day. We're trading 15 million shares already. And it's not even 10:30. So there's serious movement in this stock in the last week, and you can see we've had a huge gap from $10 up to $12. It's only $2, but it's a huge gap for price stock like that. There's 20% gap in the stock price. Blew right through the 200-day moving average, and is well above it now. So we're not, we're back here at a previous high of $19.35. We've blown through that. We're now again at $20.99 a share. So this is a significant move in this stock, and a fundamental change in a week from a bear market stock to now we're in a bull market. Now the problem with this is you're getting a parabolic rise in this stock. You're getting a movement that's not supported. Stocks just can't do what this stock is doing and do it continuously. You see back here previously in September of 21, we had a similar move right up here through. It lasted a couple weeks. We got a sell-off, a brief period of rallying here, and then we collapsed back down all the way eventually to the 200-day. So you have to be careful what you're doing here. I'm not saying you can't make money on this rally, but you have to be careful what you're doing. Whenever stock goes parabolic like this, it is going to come back down. The question is how long it's going to take. We see this gap right here. Not a significant gap in terms of dollars because this is still a relatively inexpensive stock, but we're starting to gap to the upside after it's made its initial moves and gaps. So this stock is definitely parabolic. So in general, you're going to look after a parabolic move, which you had a small one right here in March of 2021. You can see what happened after that parabolic move. So you want to be careful, even in bull market territory, of getting caught up in a parabolic move, but it sure is fun if you buy it low enough. So that's what's going on in this stock today. We have a parabolic move to the upside, and it's now, if it can stay above this 200-day moving average, it's out of bear market territory, firmly in the bull market spot. It's got to get this 20-day up above the 200-day moving average, and it's got to stay above this 20-day moving average. I suspect that what you're looking at in this stock is maybe some higher prices going on here. I have no idea what the fundamentals are on this stock. I don't know if somebody made a buy offer. It doesn't really matter to me. I'm just reading the stocks, and whatever's going on here, if it's a buy offer, then you have less of a chance of an extreme sell-off. If this is just a market move and people are just piling in this stock, you almost certainly, in my opinion, for entertainment purposes only, will get a sell-off on this stock, but it's too early to get into that yet. But parabolic moves are not sustainable unless you have somebody who's going to take this company over. And again, I don't know what the fundamentals are. I do not think we follow this stock, but let's check it real quick at rbamresearch.com. Let's go down here and plug it in. The ticker's ISEE, and we do not follow it. So RBAM Research doesn't have any information on this stock. We don't follow it. I will check and see what's going on with that, see if we can add it. But what we do follow is 190 stocks every morning, 7 a.m. Before 7 a.m. we put out information for buys on 190 stocks through our algorithms. You can see these are out for Friday today. and Apple's here right at the top. These are buy onlys, and they have 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. These are trading day holding periods, not calendar days. And the way this works is if you were to buy today, you'd close out the end of the trading day, next trading day, which in this case would be Monday, and take your loss, worst case, at the end of that period, or take a profit as soon as you got it. So if you bought this today and got a profit, you'd take a profit. But if you did not, you'd close it out, worst case, at the end of trading, Monday, and so forth as you go down the line with each one of these, the 5-day and the 20-day. You pick a column. If your own analysis says it's a good idea, these are for entertainment purposes only. These are just reference points. If your own analysis says it's a good idea, you could buy in this range here on the 20-day and then hold for 20 days, worst case, close it at a loss, or take your profit sooner if you've got a profit. So that's how these work. I will check in to see about adding ISEE, but in the meantime, you can go to rbamresearch.com, sign up absolutely free, no credit card required, get access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures. They're all absolutely free, updated by 7 a.m. Monday morning, Monday through Friday mornings, and no credit card required. There's a link in the description below to rbamresearch.com. Just follow that and sign up. And again, if you like these videos, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you have any ideas of how we can make these videos better, please leave it in the comment section below. Everything you've seen or heard on here, including our commentary and our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis. You can't use our information for anything but entertainment, and you definitely trade at your own risk.